Find success with the top affiliate marketing techniques. Businesses use affiliate marketing to gain more customers. This is done by hiring companies known as affiliates that use special techniques such as advertisement to drive customers to businesses and hits to websites. The information found the following video will tell you everything you need to know in order to start using affiliate marketing. When creating an affiliate marketing program, the best thing you can do to attract and hold on to quality affiliates is to have good communication. If you respond to their issues, and provide good service to them, they feel like a valued part of your company. A valued affiliate will stick around and will give better reviews of your product. Test the product. The only real way for you to know if you want this product to be affiliated with you, is to try it out. Saying you know something works because you have tried it is much more trustworthy and reliable than saying you read about it on their website. Keep a direct line open to your customers in affiliate marketing. You do not have to be the wizard behind the curtain here. You can have a blog presence, a Twitter account, a Facebook fan page, or other methods by which customers can contact you about the product and/or service. Be a personable affiliate. You depend on your customers for your revenue, so make sure that any affiliate ads you put up are for products that you can fully stand behind and support. If an ad would generate a nice source of income, but the product or company doesn't seem credible, it's simply not worth the risk. When using affiliate marketing on your site, always inform your readers of your affiliations. Be upfront about your relationship with the vendor. Failure to disclose that you receive some degree of revenue from the advertisements can often make many customers feel as though you are trying to be dishonest or promote the vendor simply to make a quick buck. It is important to always disclose your affiliates right from the start. This will give your readers a sense of who you are and what you are about. They will also not feel surprised or manipulated when they see the advertisements from those campaigns, and you may end up bringing more business to those companies. Use auto-tracking software whenever possible. There is software out there that can download affiliate sales data and adjust the frequency at which an ad is shown in a rotation relative to its profitability. If an ad is consistently performing poorly, the software will alert you so you can dump it and put something potentially more profitable in its place. If you run across an affiliate marketing offer that says you must sign up in X amount of time or the offer will be gone, just let it pass on by. This is just hype to try to get you to buy something without examining it or giving it enough thought. If you rush to purchase whatever it is they are selling, you will be giving them your contact and credit card information in exchange for something that will surely not help you in any way, no matter what it is. As stated before in the above content, businesses use affiliate marketing. They hire companies that use advertising to draw in customers and hits. With the information found the video above, you can also start using affiliate marketing to bring more customers to your business and more hits to your website. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.